Tableau Public is a powerful tool that opens up a world of data visualization possibilities. Imagine taking complex data sets and transforming them into stunning visuals that tell a story. That's exactly what Tableau Public allows you to do, and it's completely free. Let's dive into how you can get started. First, you want to download Tableau Public from their website. The installation process is straightforward, and once you're in, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface. It's designed to be intuitive, so even if you're new to data visualization, you won't feel overwhelmed. Now, let's talk about connecting to your data. Tableau Public supports a variety of data sources, from Excel spreadsheets to Google Sheets and even SQL databases. Once you connect your data, Tableau automatically analyzes it and suggests the best ways to visualize it. This feature is a real-time saver, especially when you're working with large data sets. Next up is creating your first visualization. Drag and drop your data fields onto the canvas, and watch as Tableau generates charts and graphs in real time. You can create bar charts, line graphs, scatter plots, and even maps. Each visualization can be customized with colors, labels, and tooltips to make your data more engaging. One of the most exciting features of Tableau Public is the ability to create dashboards. A dashboard allows you to combine multiple visualizations into a single view, providing a comprehensive overview of your data. You can add interactivity by incorporating filters and actions, allowing viewers to explore the data on their own terms. Now, let's explore some practical use cases. Imagine you're a marketer analyzing customer data. You could create a dashboard that tracks customer demographics, purchase behavior, and campaign performance. This would not only help you understand your audience better, but also guide your marketing strategies moving forward. Another great use case is for educators. If you're teaching a class on environmental science, you could visualize data on climate change, pollution levels, or wildlife populations. This not only makes the data more accessible for your students, but also sparks engaging discussions around important topics. Once you're happy with your visualizations and dashboards, it's time to share your work. Tableau Public allows you to publish your creations online, making them accessible to anyone. You can embed your visualizations on your website or share them on social media. This is a fantastic way to showcase your skills and contribute to the data visualization community. Lastly, don't forget to explore the Tableau Public Gallery. It's a treasure trove of inspiration where you can see what others have created. You can learn new techniques, discover different styles, and even find datasets that you might want to use in your own projects. In summary, Tableau Public is not just a tool. It's a platform for creativity and storytelling through data. Whether you're a business professional, educator, or just someone passionate about data, the possibilities are endless. Dive in, experiment, and let your data shine